Yeah, this is Sunil here. If you have any question, you can feel free to ask me. Yeah, get it. Let's get it.
Like, first of all, I want to ask you, like, uh, in what are you doing now?
Yeah, currently I am doing very hard working on my skill, and one of my skill I want to grow in English. So English was very difficult for me. So now I am able to keeping in the skill. So English is one of the my most important thing that is ongoing.
So what do you think about time?
Time.
Time.
Time. Yeah, time is a very precious thing. Sometimes time is most important than money, and sometimes money is important also. Money is most of the people think if we have to go interview very far away, so they think we have to spend lots of money. We better don't go and we look for other interviews. So and the second point is if you are in your age, so your age means you have a time to learn any special kind of skill. Otherwise you will not be able to make up in the future what I did in my past. I haven't learned English in my childhood, so it was very difficult to me make up. So I have to work hard, means I have to put my extra effort to learn an English, because I wasted my time in my childhood. So and now I don't have even a single minute to for myself. I can go outside and I can do it, because I have so many things.
In your ways, what is the color of money?
What is the color of money?
Yes.
Yeah, money has no color. We decide what is the color of money. Most of the people say there are two color of money, white and black. If we are earning money with our hard work, we can say it's a white money. But and the vice versa, we say it's a black money. So you decide in which way you want to go.
So what do you think about Diwali?
Yeah, they, why, first of all, why are we celebrating Diwali? So most of the people relate with the Ramayana story, but Diwali is mostly celebrate to the win the good thing at the bad things. Means we have a one day we can take a look in our inside, and we can find out what are the our bad thing, and we have to overcome all of the our inside bad things.
But like,
This Diwali can increasing pollution. So how can reduce it?
Yeah, first of all, we have to see now how much uh, how much bomb kind of things. Yeah, we can how much these kind of are means government have to decide, because if we don't go with exploitation things, so most of the people think that there is no Diwali, because sound and these things make feel us it is Diwali today. So it also depend on the person to person how they are celebrating Diwali. I have my way to celebrate Diwali, but most of the children and youth people enjoy Diwali with exploitation and loud things. So government, I mean, government don't have to restrict totally. They have to tell them the people you can exploit in limited way if you want to enjoy Diwali.
Government, why do giving the license pollution bombs वगैरह जो होता है? Why do you giving the license
for the crackers.
for the crackers?
Yeah, first of all, crackers are not exploited on every day. These are used only the special occasion. If we are using for making our festival special, so then it is okay, because this way most of the people get a job, and they can earn money and they can run their household. So it gives us also employment so that's why the government provide this kind of license, but there are lots of term and condition. Government also means company have to follow government rule and regulation.
Like-
Otherwise, their license can be cancelled.
Like, is this line is written anywhere in like Mahabharata or Ramayana or in Gita? Like, in special occasion, we just have to burn the cracker.
No, because these kind of things were not there in that time. It's a older time because we are changing, always changing. So we invented a way to celebrate our things on our way. Most of the people, of course, follow whatever mentioned in the book. They worship and they offer holy food and some kind of, after doing some kind of things, they celebrate the Diwali in their own way, because you can't enjoy your things if everything is mentioned in anywhere. You feel when we feel enjoyment, when we do what we want to do inside.
Like, you said, like, the company has to follow some rules and regulation for making the cracker, but the only work of cracker like to get polluted. So which type of rules and regulation are they follow? Because as I know, like, the cracker has the only work, we just have to burn the cracker, and by this there is some pollution which was came from it. So which type of rules and regulation are there in this type of thing?
If you see limitation, because government has a power, they can print the lots of money in our country, but there is a limitation. The same kind of limitation in the crackers things means they can make crackers in limited quantity, and they have no right to make a cracker of big explosion. It can harm to the people and the children.
For like, you think, or as you say, what do you think, like, the bomb or the crackers will pollute in our environment?
Of course they pollute when we exploit.
So
When we exploit it, but it be better if one person is exploiting only one and two things. I think there is nothing wrong. But if you are exploiting all night, so it's not a good.
it's
for
like, as you say, it's not good.
Like, if you are saying, like, the one person, if the one person burnt the cracker, so there is nothing wrong in this. But you also listen one thing in like Hindi, like, एक मछली पूरे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. So in this way, what is your opinion?
First of all, we need to understand cracker is not a fish, and if we are exploiting only one and two kind of crackers, so I think there is nothing wrong, because but if you have limitation in any kind of things, so everything is okay. But if we do everything good across our limitations, so good thing is we can't say good thing is good.
Like, tell me only the 3 advantages if we burn crackers, so this thing will happen. Only 3 advantages.
Yeah, let's say we have been waiting Diwali for 1 year, and now the times comes, and everything is going on in the house. We are worshipping, we are doing everything what we want to do, but now it comes to enjoyment. We don't go for crackers and any kind of things, so we don't feel it's a special day, because one kind of crackers goes up and down, and go down and come down, so it gives us a lot different kind of lighting, so we enjoy that lighting things, and kids especially kids enjoyment a lot these things. So I think some crackers are good. There is nothing.
So, like, without cracker,
Go ahead.
What mistake do you keep making again and again?
What mistake did you?
What mistake do you keep making again and again?
अच्छा what mistake? Yeah, my anger is because when we get angry at someone and for anything, so our angerness keeps up and up, and we are not able to understand it is good and things. So first of all, we get anger from anything. So what we do, we make another wrong things. So we feel inside regret, or else we did this thing. So that thing also make anger, means that thing also make our anger at a higher level. So this way our anger increase and increasing, and means we are not able to get out our angers easily. Only the time can heal it, and most of the time we hurt our parents and our real ones. So so it better God can help in it, because I don't know.
One day you become a Haryana CM. So what is change Haryana's rules and what is modified?
Yeah, no matter if I am a Haryana CM here and PM of the India, first of all, I would like to accountability of any person. If I find anything wrong in a specific particular, so particular person should be accountable for these things. If he is innocent, there is no mistake of that person. But if we implement the accountability, so everything will be improved. Yeah.
So what do you think government hospital and government school, how to damage to you become a
Yeah, guys.
CM? So what you work?
Yeah, just I told you accountability. If we implement accountability, everything will be improved.
But you have under MLAs, what is corrupt? So what to do?
Yeah,
They never can build any.
yeah, if you find any corrupt person in our country in any field, so we have to dismiss their his job, and we have to see what is the punishment in our law. According, we have to go through with our law, and person will be punished accordingly.
But you didn't know any MLAs.
Yeah, you know, if any government, yeah, any kind of things is going on in anywhere, so we see the audit report. Audit report, we can judge how much work we have achieved or not on based on the audit report. We can ask person who is responsible for in that particular area. If he is not working his work properly, so we can dismiss them, and we can select the other person, because in our India country we don't have talent, means we don't have coming. Yeah.
I want to come back on the topic, like if you say that I want to ask you that we are burning the cracker on only one day. We are burn cracker only one day, and it will make pollution. But what about you? The vehicles are running all day, whole day, and every day. They are not making pollution, and as well as industries are running, they are also creating pollutions. Why don't government pose on these things?
Yeah, first of all, we need to understand government can do in one day, but if we want to implement anything, so first of all, we need to see what will be the impact if we implement these things. If government close all the company and all the vehicles, so and it will be disaster in our country. Government won't be able to handle this situation. So if we have to implement these things, so first of all, we have lots of technology. We use technology in these things. How can we less the pollution of the vehicle, and how can we bring a law, company can't pollute so much in our environment. So yeah, this is it.
So you don't think like there are so many crackers also, the green light as well, and so many things. So you don't think people government raise these crackers or on the replace of the crackers who are making pollution?
Means we should bring green lights.
Green light crackers.
Yeah, I think it's no one can raise point on at this point. So because if no matter what kind of crackers are we making, crackers is not really is not good, and its lightning is not also. But people feel enjoy. People feel excitement and enjoy when we see any kind of cracker while exploitation. So yeah, no matter.
Like as you said, like there is no matter, but why the person burn the cracker only for the enjoyment of him or her? They just polluted the earth. They don't think about like this is our earth, and for our one day enjoyment we just spoil everything.
If you really want to do for our earth and our world, so you can do most of the things. You can grow lots of and trees in your area, and you can separate the dry and wet garbage. So because most, and you can also save lots of water, electricity. So I think we better to pay our attention in these things rather than we look at those things only used on the special occasion.
Imagine, clap for Sanjay.